There goes the roundup. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, we're at Cultus Lake Adventure Park doing the Giggle Ridge mini putt. Ma just kicked my butt and won, but she says if I get a hole-in-one in hole 18, we have tied the game. So I'm about to try to do that. Ma, I'll trade you. You take that. I'll take the ball.
Okay, do it. Just do it. Get a hole-in-one. You have to get it in that center hole.
No. All right, Ma.
Can I get us a free game?
Let's get a free game from the best mini golf player in the family. That is my Ma. There she goes. About to get a hole in nothing. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for following us on this journey through the Giggle Ridge mini putt. As you now know, this person is the best person in our family and mini golf.
Today.
Hey, we have a lot more here at Adventure Park in Cultus Lake, so stick around, and I hope you enjoyed this.
We're going for ice cream.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'm buying. I thought I saw a bird go by.